Good morning, student. Welcome back to business communication. This session. Yes, student. In the previous session, we are discussed about web conference and webinar. What is web conference and webinar? What are the benefits? What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages? What are the stage of the webinar and web conference? And how to useful in business of web conference and webinar. In this session, we are discussed about virtual fairs and electronic tickets. So, introduction. Digital does not mean less human. And the controversy technologies are mentioned above allow business to deliver a more human customer experience to its patrons. For instance, acquires co-browse features allow for two-way interactive browsing. This can allow customer service executive to be with the customer as they shop and also shop for them. This is especially helpful when dealing with old or specially able customers or while carrying out complex tasks that may come while making a purchase. Meaning of virtual events. A virtual event is an event that brings people together at the same time digitally. A virtual event typically happens live over a video on platform such as Zoom, Facebook Live, or Crowdcast and ranges from a small group conversation to a panel, fireside chat, or direct video live stream lecture, demonstration, or classes. A virtual event is one where individual experience the event that its content online rather than gathering in person. According to Google Trends, the world is pivoting to virtual more and more. Odds are you have attended the webinar online, watched an on-demand workout class, or joined a meeting using a video conferencing tool. You might even have attended a conference from the comfort of your desk. These are all examples of virtual events. While many virtual events try to match the structure of an in-person conference, networking events, or meeting, increasingly virtual events are finding their own unique structure, taking advantage of the live text chat for participant, questions and answer sections offered by many virtual event platforms, and even bringing participants on stage with the leader, moderator, or panelist during the events. A virtual events are not limited to video. There are also new audio only virtual event platforms offering many of the same features as live video platforms, but with more location flexibility offered by audio. A virtual events are not limited to video. There are also new audio only virtual event platform offering many of the same feature live video platform, but with more location flexibility offered by audio. Virtual conference and fairs. A conference, congresses or conference and events are important economic factor while promising futures. However, such events often including long journey and high cost for participant and cost like a virtual fairs and island conference offer cost efficient and environmentally friendly alternatives. Lively interaction is guaranteed through the inclusion of live chat, both for the groups and private on one communication. Furthermore, virtual booth can be used to convey information and to answer individual questions via live chat. So, importance of virtual events. Easy planning. The first and foremost benefit of virtual events for event managers and brands is that it simplifies your event planning process. This does not mean that the planning becomes short or lesser. Instead, you now have fewer elements to plan about as the physical resources and elements have been usually removed from the whole process. Simply planning lead to clear and similar management. Accessibility or location advantages. The good things about virtual events is that it does not require a use or massive physical space as the attendance of the event will take part virtual that gives them the freedom to attend from anywhere they wish to. Location planning and management is a challenging task for the event managers as to its capacity, capability, distance, and other factors relevant to venue. These factors would not affect the virtual event where the power of choosing accessibility location lies within the hands of attendance and event planner does not have to worry about it. Wider audience reach. As we all know, the digital media and the internet are open to all irrespective of the status or demographics. So, when your virtual event open the door to a wider audience reach through this digital platform. When organizing a virtual events, you can allow the audience to partake in the event using the digital media or social media platforms with just a few click and connection. This expand your reach to new untapped potential customer, build greater brand awareness and get exposure to an audience that you might have been able to reach through in-person events due to their capacity limitation. Better engagement and interaction. The audience engagement and interaction in an event is a key defining factor for its success. And the engagement of person is usually depend on his or her comfort level with the event environment. Virtual events as are being attended by the attendance through their location of choice give them a sense of comfort that help in increasing engagement and interaction. Also, engagement and interaction increase usually as it becomes easier and simpler to ask questions, share feedback, show, showcase idea and opinions, provide review, etc. through the direct communication. Budgeting benefits. In person events generally require massive budget allocation as they have to be planned and invest in human resources. Venues according to the audience, travel and food, technology and equipment, integration, residency planning for the external audience, etc. Whereas the budgeting become way lesser and efficient as virtual event do not require any such investment into venue, physical facility and human resources management. Comparatively, virtual events are way more efficient with a smaller budget allocation, yet being able to achieve the same agendas as in-person events. Counter unplanned issues. The event planners or managers will understanding that there are many external challenges and issues that come across while planning an in-personal live event. So it became a halt to overcome them and sometimes it even lead to event cancellation as well. Virtual events are an excellent solution to counter these unplanned challenges and issues as you can easily conduct your event in digital space. Effective performance measurement. The performance measurement become way simple and easier in virtual events as compared to the in-person live events and there are many reasons behind that. Firstly, you can easily assess information such as how many people attend in the event, that demographical data for the attendance, which session or events were more popular, the number of ticket sales or registration etc. Besides, if you integrate a third party tool, then you might even get detailed insight into the traffic source, audience sentiments, event experience, feedback and review collections, most active users etc. This will help you understanding your audience and make necessary changes for the next event if needed. Types of virtual events. When it comes to your total event program, virtual events can be added to the mix of events you host, events you attend, and your internal events. Virtual events are not a replacement for other types of events but a new types to add and to enhance your entire program. Below are the four main types of virtual events. Webinar. Dear student, in the previous class we have discussed about the web conference and webinar. So what is webinar? So webinars is typically last somewhere from 45 to 80 minutes. Holding webinar virtual allow the attendants from around the world to join in and listen as one or more speakers presently the content. Companies can charge attendance to join webinar using online payment service or can be offered for free. Webinars typically use video conferencing tools that allow Q&A, the ability to present live or a pre-recorded video and be offered as on demand after the fact. Due to their one-off educational nature, webinars have thrived with 100% virtual attendance. These can also include internal, external trainings. Virtual conference. Virtual conference. So virtual conference in much like in-person conference. Virtual conferences are built around a live, complex agenda that include keynotes, sessions, breakouts, and more. Virtual conference including multi-session content and can involve community engagement tool, while not as effective in terms of lead capture and networking as an in-person event. Virtual conference allow attendants to view keynotes in real time, build their own agenda from relevant on-demand content and interact with other attendants. Internal hybrid events. These are town halls, sales kickoffs, company-wide events, trainings, departments meetings, and more. For organizations that span countries, even continents, internal hybrid events are used to share a message to the entire company. When employees are not all gathered in the same place, while it would be great to fly every employee to your organization headquarters, it would be incredibly costly and the scheduling required would be time consuming. The next best option is to be host events that are part in person, part virtual. Virtual team building actives can work well at internal hybrid events. External hybrid events. So, external hybrid. These events are held for those outside of your organization. They can be used conference or industry conferences. These events require higher level of video production so that virtual attendance are provided a similar quality to in-person attendance. These events allow attendants who are unable to travel to the event to participate and learn. It is challenging to provide the same value at external hybrid event, as in-person attendants are able to network more freely and engage easily with content than those attending virtually. So, reason to host virtual events, or why host virtual events? The virtual events are held for the same reason as in person events, to deliver your company's message to drive lead and revenue, drive adoption and build loyalty, lifetime value. Meeting and event planners have been make the choice between in-person, virtual and hybrid events for year, and each types of events come with its own set of pro and cons. For instance, a webinar benefit from being virtual as it is a purpose built to cast a wide net to deliver thoughts, leadership, training or some other content, whereas the user conference or regional training program is purposed to build and create one-to-one in-person interaction that face-to-face delivery enhance. This this year Microsoft provided to virtual with their Build Developer Conference. When deciding webinar or not to make your event virtual, consider what you hope to gain from the event and how well those goals can be reached virtually versus in person. So some of the reason why hosting virtual event. So accessibility. While the event is still being held in person, virtual options allow you to accommodate attendants who are unable to attend in person. Budget. Your organization need to cut cost and make smaller events and webinars virtual can help move money to the biggest event of the year that brings in the largest number of leads. It also helps to have a virtual or hybrid option when attendance budget to travel are a concern. There is no other option. Whether due to the extreme weather, travel bans are an act of God, you are forced to make your in-person event virtual or cancel it altogether. In person or virtual, the fundamental must. So event planning comes down to the fundamentals. All events in person or virtual are likely already part of your integrated marketing mix. Are you thinking about your in person and virtual events holistically? Holistically? Think about it. Your customer and prospect will attend both your in person events and engage your audience and give you the full picture of interest. So, virtual events should not be solid away from the rest of your events. They need to be integrated into your meetings and events programs. The event planning fundamentals. Virtual events like in-person events need good marketing. Without targeted, effective promotion, attendant suffers. Next point, content is king. Content is king. In virtual setting, your content is your event. Powerful keynote and engaging session tailored to your attendance are critical. Alone does not have to mean lonely. Keep virtual attendance engaged, offer options that are relevant to each attendance types and utilize online events guide for virtual events. Data is the only way to prove event success. Measuring engagement and capturing attendance data are the only way to prove event ROI and active the buyer's journey. Built-in personal event and virtual events are not exactly the same. Built-in personal events and virtual events both are not same. Virtual events have limitations that in-person events does not. Where in-person events can draw attendance with a unique destination and the promise of networking, virtual events must rely on content. Marketers and planners need to market content to the segments that get the best response. And for virtual events, planner must be decide how to provide content. At in-person events, breakout session and multiple content options are held at the same time. Are you planning a virtual event that also need to offer multiple content options simultaneously, or are you offering multiple single content experience? It's a decision that has to be made. Not only that engaging attendance through virtual meeting is more difficult than requires creativity and event technology like mobile event app to make an impact. So another reality is that with virtual events, face to face engagement suffer. There is no way around it. Attendance to attend, attend, attendee to attendee working is not as visible and sale meeting have to happen after the fact. Using the data gathered virtually rather than leads gathered on site. If you are taking your conference virtual, can you still create that one is to one meeting with your sales rep to talk about account specify in the days that follows? After the event, post event follow up need to happen more quickly. Data is critical and follow up has to be fast and on point. Virtual events will never be able to offer the same level of the face to face interaction as in person events. That being said, there are ways to make virtual event successful, but it takes careful planning, great data, and agility. The virtual event elements. A virtual event is built around content, attendance, engagement, and data, while virtual events does not require F&B. They are made of many of the same element as any other kind of event. Video production, quality and connectivity will be important as well as the site that houses the agenda and content according to Forbes. A virtual event should be contain mix of live and pre-recorded content. Some of the elements are event website, so event website, your event websites is used for event promotion. It serves the same purpose regardless of whether the event is virtual or in person. Your event website is your key promotion tool to interest potential attendance and entice them to register for the event. Your event website should be communicate the value of your virtual event, contain the event schedule, showcase speaker, including FAQs and point potential attendance to registration. Event registration. Registration is your first tool for data collection and critical to your event. Registration tools allow attendance to register for virtual event, submit performance and personal information, and provide payment if required. A robust online registration tools allow attendance to register easily and provide the planner and marketers with the data they need to be plan a great event and prove event success. Live presentation content. The main marketing can drive demand for an event and increasing registration, keep attendance informed before the event and be used to engage attendance leading up to your virtual events. And finally, through feedback survey. Email is the best way to communicate with attendance and the stages of event. Use an email marketing tool that can be delivery branded personalized emails, automate when the emails are sent and to whom based on attendance data and provide open rate and click through the matrix. Live on way audio and video. On the most important pieces of event technology for the virtual events, the online event guide and mobile event app for the home base for attendance during the event. You may find the surprising but mobile event app are as critical to in-person events as they are to virtual one. These tools work on mobile device and web browser and are the main information hub for attendance. Agenda with link to sessions, put content and attendance fingertips. This is where attendants pick and choose what session to add their agenda and where the planner gather data on session popularity and attendance engagement. These tools also connect attendance and provide messaging tools that allow the attendee to network and foster connection virtually. Online guide and mobile event app. Next, feed integrations. The integration ensures that a virtual registration and attendance data is shared between your event and technology system and your virtual event platform. It also enables this data to be shared with your marketing automation and CRM system. Critical CRM. Use integration tools to keep your attendance data in one place to allow you to jump on the list to more quickly and analyze key insight from events such as session attendance and engagement. Feedback, event of feedback or survey. Event feedback is crucial for virtual events when planners do not have the ability to gain reaction by expression or verbal feedback from the attendance on site. Use event feedback tools to collect the feedback using post-event survey that can be used to prove event success. Additionally, event feedback can be used as tool to quality virtual leads and drive them to sales. Before benefit, the basic how to host a virtual events. You are decided to that want to or need to plan virtual event. So how do you do it? The planning process is very similar to that of any other event. Just as you would put yourself in your attendance shows when planning an in-person event. You should do the same of virtual event. You would not keep attendance in their seats for more than 2 hours at a time, and the same goes for virtual events. As you plan, use your standard planning tips and tricks to create and execute a great event. Virtual events may feel different, but the more you treat them like an in-person events. The top 3 benefit of virtual communication of business. Today, the best way to communicate with someone is still face to face. Virtual reality has the potential to chance that to make it where VR communication is as good or better than face to face communication, because not only you get the same human cues as a real world communication, you basically suspend the laws of physics. You can do whatever you want to. You can be wherever you want to be. Business are adopting a new way of operation because it is working for them. Virtual communication is on the rise as it easily replaces person to person communication. Easier to replace the personal to personal communication. Some of the benefits of save resources. The angel investor founder of Indian Virgin, Naval Ravikant, one of the Joe Rogan experience stated that the host going to business meeting, what is that cannot be done over the phone? And even this may be counter initiate to many. It is some things to think about. Physical meeting in the boardrooms always contain more than just what is required to take away. In the other word, they are rarely to the point, and participants need to sift through the fluff of jargons and PowerPoint slides to understand what is of value of them. Work related or business meets are not always limited to the boardrooms. They also often require international or domestic travel. Thus, physical meeting not only take up more time than but also require more operating expenses. People are accustomed to the traditional way of work related meeting that they cannot think of any other way to communicate. Yet they continue to breed meeting almost all the time. It is a time to make some disruptive change in the way we work that have been proven to the work for pioneering business and corporate giants. A virtual communication is the new trend where the interest of business and the people are flocking towards. Technologies like video conferencing are getting a trajectory. Here are the main resources why virtual conference is better than physical meeting. More convenient. Modern video conference tools can allow the people to create team meeting anywhere, anytime, regardless of where the people are. It is also possible to customize every online meeting according to the agenda, making the experience more profound. Cost effective. A virtual communication tools are cost effective as they drastically reduce your operational cost. They allow you to skip the expenses to travel a long distance or even have a huge office space. Save the time. A long distance travel not only require money but they also take up a lot of time. And furthermore, video conferences tend to be very to the point and information oriented, saving everyone their precious time. Some of the best tools of effective virtual communication are Microsoft Teams, VoIP, Skype. Increases employee productivity. Even though it is now glitched the fact that communication is the key will forever be relevant, especially in workplace. The better the internal communication, the better business fare overall. Virtual communication technologies like internal chat, video conferencing facility, screen sharing, and email can ensure that everyone in the company is on the same page not only when they physically work together but even while remotely located. Now, in the time where remote working is promoted and at the time a necessity, it is important to note that the quality of the communication does not suffer. Virtual communication tools are a great resources when it comes to handling internal communication even when employees are remotely placed. Did you know that one of the most elaborate Studies by Stanford Graduate Business School found that remote working employees outperformed other by 13% and also were 50% less likely to be switched to company. A virtual communication tools that can be help in house or remote working employees with productivity are Google Meet, Google Chat. Enhanced customers experience. Now that even little pop and mom shops are going to online, the need offer the same warm traditional in-store customer experience is on the rise. Regardless of the size and types of business, the customer experience strategy has to be of importance. Online customer service and engagement tools have allowed business to offer the same quality of customer service, if not better, than in store customer experience. Technologies like all-based conversation, chatbot, live chats, co-browsing, screen sharing, tele or video calling, etc. have profound positive impact on the customers. Some of the benefits along with are increasing confidence. So common. So this is a very, even in saving of the times and money, saving up the money and increasing the or reducing the cost, operational cost. So increasing confidence to even even remote employee also get train up in the benefits. Tips and ideas for the virtual events. Identify your virtual event objective. First and foremost, it is essential that you should know what are the reason for conducting a virtual event, just like you do it for your marketing campaign. You should define what objective you want to achieve, for example, audience engagement, business communication or strategy or information sharing, brand promotion, etc. Identify target audience. Once your objective are defined, no, you should be define who all should be a part of your virtual event, that is your target the audience. It could be your employees, stakeholders, potential customer, etc. Identify target audience will make sure that you effectively manage and conduct an event, but it is also crucial to make sure that your target audience is attainable. While identifying your target audience should also define how you will reach them, attract them to your events. Recognize your technology and tool required. The virtual event is quite different from in-person event, so the requirements are also different as well. As a virtual event is more digital in nature, so technology and tools will form a big part of event success. Unique value proportions. If you are expecting the audience to attend your virtual event, then you need to attract them with elements that offer value addition and reverse to the attendance rather than just the plain engagement. Virtual event planning strategy. There are many crucial elements associated with the virtual event planning that you need to acknowledge and plan effectively. These include event registration, user content submission, enrollment, goals and survey, feedback forum, data, date and time information, etc. Connectivity and communication. Connectivity and communication are probably the two most important factors of the successful execution of the virtual event. As a firstly, connectivity relates to have a seamless connection among all the attendants without any problems. the impact success of the virtual events. Social media promotion, where we talk about promotion and marketing. Social media platform are the first solution become to our mind, as it has great reach and billions of active users. Virtual event desk, the virtual event desk here related to the event element that we discussed earlier, that is event information, registration and feedback. This can be done by setting up landing page or website for your events. Multifunctional integration tools. Now coming to the greater possibility for your virtual event to make it more interesting, creative and engaging for the attendance, you can use a multifunctional integration tools like tag box. Okay, dear student, so I will hope you have a better understanding about what is virtual and what is, so okay, not in the next session we will go to discuss about the electronic ticket, but what is virtual events. So thank you very much.